In the future, there is an exciting job that I aspire to have: a space exploration engineer. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, this role plays a crucial part in shaping the future of space exploration. To find this job, one can pursue a degree in aerospace engineering or a related field. Additionally, actively participating in space-related projects, internships, and networking within the space industry can open doors to this fascinating career path. Space exploration engineers require a diverse skill set. Firstly, a strong foundation in mathematics and physics is essential for understanding the complex dynamics of space travel. Proficiency in computer programming and software development is also crucial for designing and simulating spacecraft missions. Moreover, creativity and innovation are invaluable to devise groundbreaking solutions for the challenges posed by space exploration. Effective teamwork and communication skills are vital for collaborating with diverse teams of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. Why is this job so captivating? Because it presents the opportunity to push the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. Space is the final frontier, and as a space exploration engineer, I would contribute to humanity's quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. From designing cutting-edge spacecraft to planning ambitious interplanetary missions, the work would be intellectually stimulating and personally fulfilling. Furthermore, the potential to inspire future generations and make a lasting impact on the course of human history makes it a truly rewarding and meaningful career choice. In conclusion, the prospect of becoming a space exploration engineer fills me with excitement and determination. With the right education, skills, and passion for exploration, I believe that this job can lead to a future that is truly out of this world. Thank you.